Okay, so after doing the Val survey, I received a rating of primary type is strives and secondary type is experiencers. I guess strivers and experiencers. Um, After looking through what both of them intake, strive is having revolving employment, high temporary unemployment. I would have to agree with that. I've had a lot of jobs. I think the only time that I've ever been unemployed, like with no job, might have been when I was like 19, and most recently when I just for like a month. Um, each I just like recently I had ended up getting two jobs at the same time. I could only end up doing one, but I agree with that. I usually end up having opportunities at jobs. Uh, I do believe I'm fun loving. Uh, I play video games a lot. Like anytime I get some free time, I play video games. I do not rely heavily on public transportation. That's not something that I can agree with. Um, I mean, I don't have a problem with it. I have a car, so I don't need public transportation. Uh, Low status street culture. I mean, if I'm determining what that means, I keep a low profile. I would agree with that. Uh, Desire to be better, desire to better their lives, but have difficulty in realizing their desires. For a while, I can say that, but I think as I've gotten older and where I'm at now, I kind of know what I need to do to get what I want, and I have a plan in place, and I wear my wealth. I would agree with that. I mean, I kind of, I don't, not completely, but I do like to look flashy. And then my secondary was experiencer. Um, I want everything. I don't want everything. I just want everything that I want. Uh, are the first in, first out on trend adoption. I wouldn't say that. If I like something, I'm gonna continue to stick with it regardless of who's sticking around it. Uh, Goes against current mainstream. I mean, I guess I don't really know how to dissect that one. Uh, are up on the latest trends. I wouldn't say I'm up on the latest trends, but I feel like I keep myself um aware. Like not really of a fashion nut where I gotta know everything that comes out, but I keep myself aware. Love physical activity and are sensation seeking. Physical activity, I mean, I don't mind. Sensation seeking, I don't think so. Sees themselves as very sociable. I think I can have a conversation with anybody. It doesn't matter who you are. It's always something to talk about. So I feel like I can talk to anybody about anything at any point, no matter who it is, where you're from, as long as we can communicate in a way that's understandable, then we can talk. Believe that their friends are extremely important. Yeah, I have a group of friends that you know, it's like more than what people would kind of call their best friends. But I feel like that group of friends that I have, those are really like more than just friends. Those are like family members. Those are people that we've all made a connection that's gonna last for the rest of our lives. And so I look at them as very important people. Spontaneous, I guess, yeah. I mean, I remember I wanted to go to the beach one day and decided to go. Took a 2 day trip off the random, so yeah, and have a heightened sense of visual stimulation. I would say no. I don't really get stimulation from visuals. Yeah, I would say no. And yeah, so I think for the most part it was pretty on the nose. It wasn't nothing too crazy. It kind of described me to not to the T, but in a space where I feel like I am.